Smoothies are a fantastic way to pack essential nutrients into a kid-friendly format. Today, we have some interesting smoothie recipes designed to support different aspects of your children's development, with a focus on brain health, bone growth, immunity, and overall energy. So, let's dive into some smoothie recipes for kids' developmental aspect. 1. The Smart Start Smoothie Brain Development. This smoothie is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain development and cognitive function. The healthy fats also help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Key ingredients: 1/2 ripe avocado for healthy fats and creaminess. 1/2 cup frozen blueberries packed with antioxidants that protect the brain. 1 small frozen banana for sweetness and texture. 1 cup almond milk or whole milk. The fat in whole milk is great for toddlers. 1 tablespoon chia seeds or ground flaxseed, a major source of omega-3 south. Why it helps: avocado and chia flax seeds provide essential fatty acids that support brain cell growth and communication. Blueberries are known to boost memory and protect against cognitive decline. 2. The Mighty Bones Smoothie Bone Health. Calcium and vitamin D are the building blocks of strong bones. This smoothie combines dairy and a secret veggie to deliver these crucial nutrients. Key ingredients: 1 cup plain Greek yogurt high in calcium and protein. 1/2 cup frozen peaches sweet and a good source of vitamin A. 1/2 cup fresh or frozen spinach, a surprising source of calcium and vitamin K. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup milk of choice. Why it helps: Greek yogurt and milk provide a healthy dose of calcium. Spinach adds an extra calcium boost and vitamin K, which helps the body use calcium effectively. The peaches add a natural sweetness that masks the taste of the spinach. 3. The Immunity Shield Smoothie Immune System. Packed with vitamin C and other antioxidants, this smoothie helps protect kids from colds and boosts their overall immune system. Key ingredients: 1 large orange, peeled, a classic source of vitamin C. 1/2 cup frozen mango chunks, rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. 1 small carrot, chopped, a stealthy veggie with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant. 1/2 cup coconut water or orange juice. 1 to 2 tablespoons plain yogurt for gut-healthy probiotics. Why it helps: oranges and mango are loaded with vitamin C, which is vital for immune function. The probiotics in yogurt support a healthy gut microbiome, which is the foundation of a strong immune system. 4. The Energy Explorer Smoothie Sustained Energy. This smoothie is designed to provide long-lasting energy without the sugar crash. It combines complex carbohydrates and healthy fats for a steady release of fuel. Key ingredients: 1/2 cup rolled oats, a source of slow-digesting complex carbs and fiber. 1 tablespoon peanut butter or almond butter for healthy fats and protein. 1 small frozen banana adds sweetness and makes it creamy. 1/2 cup milk of choice. A dash of cinnamon helps with blood sugar regulation. Why it helps: the oats provide sustained energy, preventing a sugar spike and subsequent crash. The healthy fats and protein from the nut butter also help keep kids feeling full and energized throughout their day. 5. The Growth Spurt Smoothie Overall Growth. This smoothie is a great all-rounder, providing a balance of protein, carbs, and fats to support a child's rapid growth and development. Key ingredients: 1/2 cup cottage cheese or plain Greek yogurt, high-quality protein for muscle and tissue growth. 1/2 cup frozen mixed berries, antioxidants and vitamins. 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, a complete protein source. 1/2 cup water or milk. A drizzle of honey or maple syrup to taste for picky eaters. Why it helps: protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, muscles, and bones. The berries provide a host of vitamins, and the hemp seeds are a nutritional powerhouse that adds a complete protein without a strong flavor. Pro tips: start with smaller portions and adjust to your child's appetite. Freeze fruits ahead of time for thicker, ice cream-like texture. Let kids help make them. They're more likely to drink what they help create. Add a fun straw or serve in a special cup to make it more appealing. These smoothies pack essential nutrients like protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support physical growth, brain development, and immune function during those crucial growing years. Subscribe and like. It helps us reach more people to stay healthy. See you in the next one.